What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Sofata Hagene, and I am back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, baby. And if you're new here, welcome, and welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe to be a part of my family. It's the 20th of April, 5:30. I'm going on a church hike. I'm supposed to be at church at 6. I think it's a bit unrealistic to expect us to start everything at 6. But I know we're not going to. And I took advantage of that and woke up a bit late. I slept at probably 1. So obviously I was going to get late. It was a challenge waking up. God, we're here. And it's a bit cold. But without any further ado, let's get straight into the video.
I wanna give you better. Maybe it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody's on next up. Ain't never for let them catch. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Hey, you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up the spliff and get high. Shout it, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be driven. Play this song for me, let's get it.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. Try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing.
I'm too tired to cook today, so courtesy of Teho, I'm the one that bought them because it's my day to cook and I'm out. So yeah. My grandmother bought me this bottle at Pip for 35 rand. I have a smaller bottle to carry, especially because it's winter now. I'm obviously not gonna drink from that big ass bottle because I don't drink too much water. It's cold now. Yes, and not that much. Anyways, if you reached this far in the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe. And see you next time. Thanks for watching.